Sources. We spent a lot of time on this just to try to dispel any myths and any misinformation that there is about immigration and refugee status here in Canada. So I'm going to skip right to the consolidation activity, as that's the only thing you're expected to submit. You don't need to participate in any discussions in this, even though it's listed throughout the activity. The only thing I want you to submit is this consolidation activity at the very, very end, which we'll go over right now. So the final piece that you're supposed to submit: should Canada welcome migrants and refugees? And all I want you to do is answer these questions. It doesn't have to be in a particular formal essay format. You can simply use these headings and answer these questions. In fact, I would encourage you to use the headings. Now, again, what we're trying to do is promote a factual argument based on facts, statistics, and evidence to support your opinion, not an emotional argument. And in order to do that, the big part of this isn't just answering these questions, but it's also your basically doing a bit of homework and a bit of research to support your opinion. You're going to submit, in addition to that, the pros and cons scale template, which looks like this. And to fill this in, you're going to use the content provided in this activity to fill this in as the research that supports your opinions and the evidence that supports your opinions. And to do that, again, all you're going to do is go back through the content all the way to the beginning here and use some of these videos and activities throughout here just to support your opinion for this final piece. I would like it if you did this quiz on human migration, as it is important to know the terminology and the proper terminology for this particular activity, and this course for that matter. Again, you don't need to participate in the discussions or any of the other activities. I do encourage you to watch the videos and fill out that chart and to support your opinion for that final piece that you will submit. So again, at the very end, you're going to submit this final template completed with lots of evidence to show that you've absorbed some of that content exposed to previously in this activity. You've taken a bit of that in, you're using the correct terminology, and then you're going to take all of that great research and evidence you just collected to support whatever it is your opinion is on immigrants and refugee status here in Canada, and complete these answers, okay? So again, please do your research on this. Have lots of evidence and statistics to support your particular opinion, and be sure to cite your sources, not just, I hope, the sources within this activity, but if you choose to do some homework beyond that as well, fantastic, okay? If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me.